Jay Weezy, you a fool for this.
YouTube, it's your boy Big E with Big E TV, and look, man, we back with another video. No, I haven't dropped videos in a while. Hey, I'm sorry about that. Life, I'm gonna blame it on life. But anyway, y'all, as you know, months back, and now they already both of the hangers done broke, and not only did the hangers break, but it broke a piece of the muffler. So not the muffler, but a piece of the pipe, and I'm ready to welding back up myself. For y'all that didn't know, before I started driving trucks, I was a welder. But let me show y'all what I'm talking about. You can see the hole where the hanger goes through the pipe. They got a took everything and weld it up. I got the titanium welding machine ready. You know what I'm saying? That little thing right there is a beast. And it broke on this side as well. So, and for y'all that didn't know, I also done copped a 2007 Tahoe. I got on some black 26s right now, but I'm thinking about taking them off. And right now, I don't have no plans for it. Just there's a truck that I ended up getting from my brother that he didn't want anymore. So, but we got some things coming soon for the F-150. As you know, we got Scraping the Coast coming up in June. Plan on making that. Supposed to put a 3-inch leveling kit on it, maybe a 5.5-inch lift that a guy that I know got one, but I'm not for sure yet. But we're gonna weld this pipe up and see how it sounds. Right now it don't sound right. I know how she normally sounds, but we're gonna put everything back together. Peace.
We get it done, guys.